How to see other viewers on Facebook story. So if you want to see the other viewers on your Facebook story, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now after that, you just need to simply tap on your story. If you tap on your story here on the bottom left, you will have your viewers. If you go with your viewers, then you will have the additional viewers, right? Or other viewers on the bottom left side. So if you want to see who those viewers are, then what you need to do is just go back, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with your settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with stories section. And here you need to go with who can see your stories. And if you've selected public, then it means all the persons that are not your friends will be able to see your story. But if you want to hide the other viewers, or if you don't want the other person to see your story, then you can go with friends or friends accept or custom. So you can just simply go with friends. After that, go with save and again tap on save, and that's it. Now only your friends will be able to see your story. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.